Coco, currently here by Coco. So I'm just trying this new things. I'm just not sure. I wasn't sure where to film. I felt like my room wasn't the ideal place, so I need to find like a new spot in the house where I could film my vlogs and like what I'm doing with my hair. It won't always be possible in the same areas in the house until I find like a proper setup for it. But for now, I'm here, so as long as you guys can see me and you can see what I'm talking about, that's all that matters. So pretty much today, what I'm going to do is, what I did actually, because I have box braids on right now, and what I did pretty much was, sorry, I thought I was Ashley for a second. So, what I pretty much did is I washed my box braids today, and I pretty much shampooed and conditioned, cleansed my scalp, just so like I can have like a fresh scalp for a bit. I put them maybe on December, I want to say December 16th or 19th, and today's date is, if I'm not mistaken, let me see, I think, yeah, January 25th. My birthday is in 2 days, so that's another thing I'm excited to. So I wanted to try something. I mean, I wanted to have like a different look because I've been wearing this for like a month and a half, like almost a month and a half. So like I wanted to have something different. Like I wasn't expecting to keep the braids in for that long, but just because in terms of taking care of my hair, because my next step after those braids is to potentially cut my hair. So I'm like kind of delaying it. It hasn't been a year since I went natural. On February 19th or 16th, I have to go check my picture update to confirm which one is the right date. So so really on February it would be 1 year that I went natural. So I'm very excited about this and I really can't wait to cut my hair. But in the meantime, I still have my box braids. So right now they're like wet, you know. So just to let you guys know, this feels so good. To let you guys know what I'm going to do is pretty much what I'll do with my box braids after they're dried. I'm going to lock them just so like I can have like a different look. So when I say I'm going to lock them, like you know how usually people when they do goddess locks, they braid before and then they add some hair into the braids. So I thought since I already did step 1, might as well just go ahead and do step 2 with the hair. So while I'm doing this, so this is the hair that I'm using. I thought for a second that I grabbed the wrong one. This is Cuevena Twists Outre Cuevena. Cuevena Twists. If anything, I'll just add everything down below. Cuevena Twists. Let me show you how it looks. It actually looks like natural hair, which I really like. You can see how it looks here.
Hey, so I'm back like 4 hours later and I've done everything, and guess what? I ran out of black, so I started putting this color. So that's how it looks. I still have like a few to do and I'm gonna try to demonstrate one before so like I can talk, so then because there's gonna be other people coming to my house, so I just want to demonstrate 1 or 2. So then afterwards, you guys know what I'm doing. So you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. Here left. So I'll leave that one out in case I don't have enough. Because what happened is that I ran out of hair. So hopefully I can finish this strong. So now there's 6. Okay. So what I do is pretty much I take 1 strand of hair and I go through with the latch hook. So when it comes here, take this, put it back, close it. You see this? You close it. Then you pull it through. Then I adjust it so I leave this much and turn it. And then, so you see, I take the root, start twisting. Beginning is a bit weird, but that's all it takes. Just starts twisting, and when you come to the box braid big bump, you try to make it smooth. So like, you open the air. I have difficulty saying hair, so bear with me. Whenever you hear me saying hair, I don't mean air, I mean hair. Me and my H's. So yeah, just keep on unraveling. You see this one actually has a big bump. So what I'll do is I'll try to cover it as much as possible by turning the Cuevena twist here. I'm not sure if people do this with Marley braid hair. I'm talking about doing locks. Maybe they do. I haven't seen anyone with reviews on that yet, but this is what I use. I prefer the Cuevena twist just because it looks natural. This doesn't look so natural anymore, but it looks like I have how do you call this again? Mesh. That's how you say it in French. By the way, I'm from Montreal and I do speak French. I'm actually Haitian. I'm from Haiti. I was born in Haiti. Just a quick history about me. I was born in Haiti, born and raised, so I speak French fluently, Creole fluently, and yeah, pretty much. So you see what I'm doing? Just raveling the hair slowly. Oop, this is messages. So yeah, I just keep on going all the way.
And until I reach the end. So I just wanted to show. I'm going fast now because I picked up the pace, but trust me, the first few times I was actually going very, very slow. But now I'm like Speedy Gonzalez, going fast like there's no tomorrow. So there's always a bit of hair that's left out because when I did my box braids, so what I do, I use nail glue. You probably won't see it, but just so you know, I'm not lying, nail glue. And you add it at the end, not a lot. Just add it. Okay, yeah, like a small amount. So like this much, like a ball. And then you just slowly, and when I hear about this, you press it first and then you'll slowly just twist the hair around, hold it, press it. And to be honest, and then you just do this, like this. So it just secures. What I hate about nail glue is, of course, it gets sticky on your fingers. So yeah, just be careful with that because it gets annoying sometimes. So up to the next one. So you guys saw how I did this. It was pretty straightforward. That's how you do it. This is how we do it. So you open, pass it through, and you keep this open. You add your strand of hair, close it, pass it through, and gone. And yeah, there it is. And you take this out because you don't need it no more. So, like I said, you keep one long, one short, and you start twisting or locking, whichever word you prefer. So yeah, start locking, and that's it. Keep on going. So I'll be fast forwarding this part.